This is how to install Deepin in VMware Workstation 15. Go to deepin.org/en/download and click the download button. Then click Save File. When it's done downloading, you can close your browser and start the VMware player. Next, click Create a new virtual machine. Click Browse for the ISO image and select the image you downloaded, then click Next. Choose Linux, version Debian 10x 64-bit, click Next. Click Next. Okay, then I'm going to give my virtual machine 80 gigabytes because Deepin 20.1 needs 64. Then click Customize Hardware, and I'm going to give it 4 megabytes of memory, which is 1/4 of my system memory. Then click Finish. Click Close. Then click Install Deepin 20.1, which is the top selection. Okay, click English, and then both checkboxes to agree, and click Next. Then click Next. Click the disk, and then click Next. Click Continue. Okay, when it's done installing files, click Reboot Now. Okay, you can click the top entry here. Click English, and then click Next. Click Next. Click your time zone and check Change Time if you need to, and then click Next. Okay, enter a username. Enter your password. Enter a password again, and then click Next. Okay, when that's done, you're going to go to a login screen, so enter your password. Okay, here wants you to choose which mode you want. I'm going to use normal mode because it says it's got faster performance. And we're going to get a little pop-up window here for some more adjustments. Click Next. Okay, I'm going to stay with fashion mode, so click Next. I'm going to stay with normal mode, so click Next. I'm going to keep the icon theme, so click Done. We've successfully installed Deepin Desktop in VMware Workstation 15. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.